Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
This is Nae, your voice for today's headlines. It's Wednesday, December 10th. Here is what we are covering. Google's Gemini is experiencing faster growth in monthly active users compared to OpenAI's ChatGPT, despite ChatGPT maintaining nearly double the user base. In November, Gemini's user count rose by 30% to 346 million, while ChatGPT saw a 5% increase to 810 million. ChatGPT users also spent more time on the app, averaging 17 minutes daily versus Gemini's 11 minutes. Market saturation may be slowing ChatGPT's growth. OpenAI anticipates 220 million paid subscribers by 2030, up from 35 million, with an increase in conversion rates. Google has integrated Gemini into its search results, enhancing ad performance and retaining commercial intent, countering expectations that language models would divert queries from Google. While Google's Gemini integrates with search, the AI boom mirrors the dot-com era. The New York Times reports that the current artificial intelligence boom in Silicon Valley shares similarities with the dot-com boom of the late 1990s, such as high valuations and rapid wealth generation. However, key differences suggest a different outcome. Unlike the dot-com era, today's AI is backed by financially robust companies like Microsoft, Google, and Meta, reducing the risk of collapse. The internet required time for infrastructure and acceptance, whereas AI is quickly embraced by businesses. Regulatory barriers are fewer, with government support for AI development. Concerns about a bubble are countered by the fact that discussions about a bubble indicate caution, not overconfidence. The scale of investment and valuation is much larger now, with companies like NVIDIA valued significantly higher than their dot-com counterparts. AI adoption is progressing rapidly, with immediate value seen in its applications. While some fear potential fraud, current deals differ from past practices. Despite uncertainties, Silicon Valley is expected to navigate the AI boom effectively. Regarding the AI boom, the focus shifts to GenAI.mil's military applications. The Department of War, under Secretary Pete Hegseth, announced the launch of GenAI.mil, a chatbot interface for Google Gemini, aimed at enhancing the capabilities of American military personnel. Hegseth emphasized its potential to revolutionize warfare by improving efficiency in tasks like research and data analysis. The initiative is part of the second Trump administration's focus on AI as a national security priority, with efforts to reduce regulatory barriers for AI development. Emil Michael, the Pentagon's Undersecretary for Research and Engineering, highlighted the strategic importance of AI dominance. The rollout will initially provide AI access to 3 million personnel, with plans to expand its capabilities to handle classified data in the future. Following GenAI.mil's launch, we look at ShipOS for submarine enhancements. The U.S. Navy and Palantir Technologies have introduced ShipOS, a software designed to enhance the construction and maintenance of American submarines, with potential applications for aircraft carriers and jets. The initiative aims to address the U.S. shipbuilding industry's lag behind China's production capabilities. Navy Secretary John Phelan and Palantir CEO Alex Karp highlighted the software's ability to improve supply chain visibility, potentially preventing delays by predicting issues months in advance. The partnership is valued at $448 million. Despite the software's potential, challenges like design and cost overruns persist, as seen in the delays of the Columbia-class nuclear submarine and the cancellation of Constellation-class frigates. Palantir's software has been widely used in U.S. government operations. While ShipOS addresses shipbuilding, Claude Code integrates coding tasks in Slack. Anthropic has integrated Claude Code into Slack, allowing users to transform channel discussions into coding tasks without leaving the platform. This feature, launched as a research preview, embeds AI agents within enterprise tools, moving away from standalone chatbots. Users can tag at Claude in Slack channels, where it detects coding requests, analyzes context, and selects the correct repository. Claude generates code changes, updates the thread, and provides a session transcript and pull request. The integration respects Slack's permissions and enhances workflow by keeping developers within Slack for tasks like debugging and code generation. This reflects a broader trend of AI systems managing tasks and connecting to internal systems, as seen with Google's AI-powered platform for businesses. Moving from Claude Code to Cloudflare's AI bot blocking efforts. Cloudflare CEO Matthew Prince announced at Wired's big interview event that the company has blocked over 400 billion AI bot requests since July 1st. This initiative follows Cloudflare's Content Independence Day, which aims to prevent AI crawlers from accessing content without payment. Prince emphasized the changing business model of the internet due to AI's impact, expressing concerns about Google's combined search and AI crawlers, which force content creators to choose between being indexed in Google search or blocking AI scrapers. He highlighted Google's extensive internet access compared to other companies like OpenAI and Microsoft. Prince argued for a fair playing field for businesses of all sizes and suggested that regulation might be necessary to ensure diverse AI business models. He noted that blocking AI crawlers has shown promising results for content creators, potentially leading to licensing deals. Cloudflare aims to pressure AI companies to adopt more pluralistic business models, aligning with the open internet's founding principles and benefiting the broader market. Following Cloudflare's initiative, we look at Scout24's real estate assistant. Scout24, Germany's largest real estate platform, is leveraging AI to enhance its services, focusing on a conversational real estate assistant powered by GPT-5. This assistant offers adaptive answer formats, such as summaries or listings, tailored to user needs. The development process involved building a custom evaluation system to measure answer quality and conducting extensive internal testing. The team prioritized a simple technical architecture to ensure speed and reliability, collaborating closely with OpenAI to refine the product. Scout24's approach emphasizes starting with AI's core potential, defining quality standards, and using internal feedback to meet user expectations. Future plans include expanding the assistant's capabilities to serve various customer groups, enhancing interconnectivity within the platform. While Scout24 enhances real estate, Rivian develops its own AI assistant. Rivian is developing its own AI assistant, separate from its joint venture with Volkswagen. The assistant is designed to integrate with vehicle controls and is expected to be revealed by the end of the year. Rivian's approach involves creating a model and platform-agnostic architecture, focusing on software layers and control logic. The AI assistant combines edge and cloud AI, allowing tasks to be managed both on-device and remotely. Rivian has developed much of the software stack in-house, including custom models and an orchestration layer. The joint venture with Volkswagen, valued at $5.8 billion, focuses on electrical architecture and infotainment, with no current plans to include the AI assistant or automated driving technologies. Regarding Rivian's AI assistant, the focus shifts to teen chatbot interactions. A Pew Research Center survey reveals that nearly a third of American teenagers interact with AI chatbots daily, with 70% having used one at least once. Among daily users, 16% engage with chatbots several times a day or almost constantly. Chatbots are used for learning, companionship, and even romantic interactions, raising concerns about their impact on mental health and development. The survey included nearly 1,500 teens aged 13 to 17, representing diverse demographics. ChatGPT is the most popular chatbot, followed by Google's Gemini, Meta AI, Microsoft's Copilot, Character.ai, and Anthropic's Claude. Usage is slightly higher among older teens and those from higher-income households. Black and Hispanic teens report higher usage rates than white teens. Legal actions have been taken against AI firms like OpenAI and Character.ai, with allegations linking their apps to teen suicides and mental health issues. In response, OpenAI plans to implement parental controls, and Character.ai has restricted teen interactions. Meta faced criticism for its chatbot's inappropriate conversations with minors and plans to introduce parental controls on Instagram. Common Sense Media advises against allowing children under 18 to use companion-like chatbots, citing significant risks. Following teen chatbot usage, we look at social media bans for children. Malaysia and Australia are set to implement bans on social media for children under 16, starting in 2026 and December 2025, respectively. Malaysia's Communications Minister Fahmi Fadzil announced the decision as part of efforts to protect young people from online dangers such as cyberbullying and scams. The government is considering electronic age verification methods. Since January, social media platforms in Malaysia with over 8 million users must obtain licenses and adhere to age verification and content safety rules. Australia's ban, effective December 10th, imposes fines on platforms like Facebook and TikTok for non-compliance. Denmark and Norway are also considering similar age restrictions, with Denmark planning a ban for those under 15 and Norway proposing a minimum age of 15.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.